So for today's video lesson, ang i-discuss natin is about simplifying of rational algebraic expression. But before we proceed to our lesson, reviewin muna natin ang iba't ibang uri ng factoring kasi i-apply natin yan dito sa pag-simplify ng rational expression. So let's have the different types of factoring. Number one, we have greatest common monomial factor. So kapag greatest common monomial factor, ang ginagawa natin is hinahanap natin yung GCF ng bawat term para makuha natin yung factor and then saka natin siya i-divide sa polynomial para makuha naman yung other factor. Example, we have 16x cubed plus 8x squared minus 4x. We also have 20x minus 10 and also AB plus BC plus B. Next, number 2, difference of two squares. We have x squared minus 81, 16x squared minus 25, 100 minus y to the fourth. So yung first term tsaka last term is a perfect square. Next, number 3, the sum and difference of two cubes. We have x cubed minus 1, x cubed plus 27, 64 plus x cubed, x to the 6 minus 125. So kung matatandaan nyo sa previous lesson natin, ang ginagamit natin dito yung SOAP para makuha natin or masundan natin yung mga sign na kailangan sa factor. Next, number 4, perfect square trinomial. X squared plus 10x plus 25, x squared minus 18x minus 81, x squared plus 2x plus 1. So kung mapapansin natin, yung first term natin tsaka yung last term natin is a perfect square. Next, number 5, factoring trinomial where a is equals to 1. X squared plus 9x plus 20, x squared plus 12x plus 27, x squared plus 8x plus 7. So, yung first term natin, laging coefficient niyan ay 1. And then, yung last term natin, kapag positive ang last term, kailangan yung factor ng last term ay kukunin nyo yung sum at dapat yung lalabas yung nasa middle term. We also have x squared plus 6x minus 16, x squared minus 4x minus 21, and x squared plus x minus 20. In this case, yung last term naman natin ay negative. So, anong gagawin nyo sa factor? Kukunin nyo yung subtraction niyan or yung difference ng factor nila at kailangan yung lalabas yung nasa middle term. And then, yung sign ng middle term ay nakadepende or yung sa factor na kukunin nyo. Halimbawa, yung factor, yung middle term niya is positive, the highest factor is positive, and then the other factor is negative. Kung negative naman yung middle term, yung highest factor, yung negative, yung lowest factor, yung positive. Next, number 6, factoring of trinomial where a is greater than 1. So, yung coefficient natin sa first term is higher or greater than 1. Example, 3x squared minus 2x minus 5, and then 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Okay, let's now move to simplifying of rational algebraic expression. A rational expression is in its simplest form if it is expressed in lowest term. That is when the numerator and the denominator have no common factor except 1. To simplify or reduce a rational expression is to divide the denominator and the numerator by the greatest common factor, or you can do canceling of the common factor. So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-factor na natin yung numerator and denominator, magka-cancel lang tayo ng mga common factors. And then, yung matitira, yun na yung kanyang simplest form. Okay, let's have example. Number 1, we have 2x squared over 4x cubed. So, yung numerator and denominator natin is a monomial term. So, ang gagawin lang natin is ipa-factored out lang natin lahat ng given. Okay, so yung factor ng 2x squared is 2 times x, and yung 4x cubed is 2 times 2 times x times x. So, ika-cancel natin ngayon yung mga common factor. So, we have 2 and then 2. We also have x and then x. So, ang final answer natin in simplest form is, and we also have x and x. So, ang final natin is 1 over 2x. Bakit 1 yung numerator? Kasi wala nang natira maliban sa 1. Okay, kapag na-cancel lahat ng ating numerator or denominator, ang value nun ay 1. Okay. So, then, ang natira sa denominator is 2 and x. So, 2 times x, 2x. So, ang final answer natin is 1 over 2x. Example number 2, we have x plus cube over x squared minus 9. So, yung numerator natin, naka-simplest form na siya, naka-simplest factor. Yung denominator natin, kailangan natin siya i-factored. So, we have x plus 3. Kopyahin lang natin. So, yung ating denominator, gagamitin natin yung difference of 2 squared. So, kapag difference of 2 squared, parehas ng factor yung first and last term, magkaiba lang sila ng sign. Isang positive, isang negative. So, ang kanilang factored form ay x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, since parehas na yung ating x plus 3, kakancel natin sa numerator and then sa denominator. Again, walang natira sa numerator. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating numerator ay 1 over x minus 3. So, ito yung ating final answer. Example number 3, we have x squared plus 2x over 2x plus 4. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung numerator at denominator natin is factoring of greatest common monomial factor. Okay, so we have greatest common monomial factor gagamitin. So, ang GCF ng ating numerator is x. X squared divide natin sa x is x, and then 2x divide natin sa x is 2. So, ang kanyang factored form is x times x plus 2 over GCMF ulit ang gagamitin. 2 ang ating GCF. So, yung tapos, 2x divide natin sa 2 is x, and then 4 divide sa 2 is 2. So, ang kanyang factor form ay 2 times x plus 2. Now, let's cancel the x plus 2 and also the x plus 2 in denominator. So, ang natira natin is x over 2. So, ang final answer natin is x over 2. Next, number 4, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Okay, so ang ating gagawing factoring ay factoring trinomial where a is equals to 1. Okay, so this time, tignan natin yung last term, positive. So pag positive, kailangan is ikunin ang sum ng factor. Since 2 yan, ang factor nilang is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, bali, ang magiging factored form niya is x plus 2 times x plus 1 over, so factoring of trinomial pa rin where a is equals to 1. So, ang last term natin is 4. So, ang factor ng 4 is 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Sa dalawang factor na yon, ang possible na pwedeng magamit is 1 and 4 kasi ang middle term natin is 5. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So, bali mangyayari is x plus 4 times x plus 1. Cancelled natin yung x plus 1 and then the x plus 1 in the denominator. So, ang natira natin is x plus 2 over x plus 4. So, yan yung simplest form ng ating number 4. X plus 2 over x plus 4. Okay, example number... Naulit siya. Example number 5. So, we have x squared plus 8x plus 12 over x squared plus 3x minus 18. Okay, so the numerator, ang gagamitin natin is factoring trinomial where a is equals to 1. So, ang ating last term is 12 and then positive. So, mag-isip tayo ng factor na kapag kinuha natin yung sum, 8 ang lalabas. So, we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Sa tatlong pares ng factor, ang possible lang ay si 2 and 6. Kasi 2 plus 6 equals to 8. So, yun ang gagamitin natin. So, x plus 6 times x plus 2 over, so, factoring trinomial where a is equals to 1 pa rin ang gagamitin. This time, ang last term natin is 18 in negative. So kapag negative ang sign ng last term, you have to get the difference of the two factors na ang lalabas ay 3. Kailangan pag minus natin, 3 ang lalabas. So we have 118, hindi siya pwede. 2 and 9, hindi rin pwede kasi 2 minus 9 is 7. And then 3 and 6. 3 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so possible, ang gagamitin natin is 6 and 3. So ang middle sign natin is positive. So, ang mataas na factor sa 3 and 6 is 6. So, si 6 ang positive, si 3 ang negative. So, x plus 6 times x minus 3. Cancelled natin yung x plus 6. Then, ang matitira nating factor is x plus 2 over x minus 3. So, ang final answer natin ay x plus 2 over x minus 3. Okay, so dito nagtatapos ang ating lesson. Sana meron kayong natutunan. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!